List of rejected candidate and the qualified candidate, that means the eligible candidate for the post of assistant teacher in government lower primary school for the subdivisional East Janjay Hill district clearan tekene ki list jong ki rejected ki balasha reject but ki ba long eligible namta kini post jong assistant teacher government in government lower primary school. So these are the list of rejected applicant applied for the post assistant teacher in lower primary school under office of SDSEO clearan te ki basha reject ki don kumba san flying out ki basha reject but ki ba eligible ki don kumba ars patam te sampai gini kertang list of name reason no DLED kertang ada apa yang ni te sa page iki kertang no DLED certificate, only print out DLED marksheet availing. Terusan perlangut ki kandidat ki basha reject po clear. And kini ada list of eligible candidate to appear for interview for the post of assistant teacher in government LP school 2023. Kini ada ki balong eligible.